Hey guys, it's Courtney.
Hello everybody, it's Jen. I'm so excited to be here to talk to you about the Collective Creators.
We are so excited to bring you the Collective Creators.
It's basically a community that myself, Mary Polanco, and Jen from Scrappina Creations have been working many months on based on the comments that we have received from you.
We have listened to the community and people want to interact. They want to build meaningful relationships, and we think we might have found a way to do that.
One of the aspects of what we love so much about this community is just that, the community, the advocacy for each other, the support for one another. So we're here to share with you what that's all about, and we cannot wait till you hear about everything.
Introduce you to the Collective Creators, which is a web-based platform where we'll be putting up exclusive content for members, and there's also a way to interact with the fellow members to create really meaningful relationships.
The Collective Creators is a very interactive platform online so that we can reach across the spectrum. That is why our logo encompasses the world, because we want to be far-reaching. We want to include everyone. We want everyone to share their talents, their creativity, and we want to build networks amongst one another.
We have events including meet and greets and crops, and it will all be free to members.
Once you're members, you're all going to connect, you're all going to get to know each other, and you're going to actually be able to set meetups amongst yourselves with the help of us. And so that is one feature that we feel was missing out in the community.
We also have a discussion forum where we can all get to know each other and get feedback and ask questions with one another, and hopefully you'll meet some crafty friends on the way. Within the community, you'll have access to online classes that are only available as a member.
Full-on tutorials with different techniques, different things that maybe you want to learn and that you want to practice. So we are going to have people come on and do the classes for you. Additionally, not just classes, we are also going to offer tutorials throughout the month. This is just regular card making tutorials, sometimes just for fun, lives, things like that.
We're also going to be having a spotlight creator every month, and this is someone who you probably know, a well-known person in the crafting community. They're going to create exclusive content for us as well that can only be seen on the Collective Creators website. We'll be doing a live meet and greet chat type video with them for the month that they are joining us.
So that's going to be fun. You don't know what's going to happen in a live chat, so it should be a hoot.
We also have a guest creator, which is similar, but this is more of an up-and-coming crafter in the community. Perhaps you've seen them on YouTube or on Instagram, but this will give them a little bit more of a different platform and hopefully kind of boost their followers. And they are super talented. They'll also be creating a tutorial every month as well as that live chat so we can get to know them a little bit more.
As we get started with this platform and we grow, it's eventually going to be you all, the members.
In addition, we have a spotlight company every month that will offer shopping discounts.
A company in the industry that we want to definitely show support for, but also that's going to be able to provide some discounts for you as members. And I think one of the greatest things about the Collective Creators is that this is your platform. As members, you are completely included in the process.
You get to build the community too. That's the beautiful thing about this, is that each person who becomes part of that community will have some say in how things move forward.
We want your feedback. We want your input and your suggestions. So if there's something that you want us to see, we will get on it. And if we can't get on it, we'll find someone who can. So that's what's so great and so exciting about the Collective Creators. And we hope that you join us because it's going to be a really fun ride.
Thank you so much for checking us out. We hope you will join us on this journey. We're super excited.
We have listened to you guys. We are so excited to be starting this new adventure with you all, and I hope you guys can join us.
To find out more, you can sign up September 1st, 2019. The website will go live. Our community will start to be created, and we'll be able to engage on a much deeper level. Check out The Collective Creators at thecollectivecreators.com.
The Collective Creators.
We can do this. We are all
Better together.